Welcome to my new video. Today, I'll show you how to share files using your file manager. First, open the File Manager app on your phone and navigate to the folder where the file you want to share is located. Once you find the file, long press on it to select it. Next, look for the Share option, usually found at the bottom or top of the screen. Tap on Share, and a list of apps will appear, such as email, messaging apps, or cloud storage. Select the app through which you want to share the file. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sharing process, like selecting the recipient or adding a message. The file will then be sent to your selected contact or app. That's it for today's tutorial. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips.